Welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I will be showing you how you can recreate the simple circle letter logo. So the first thing we're going to do is to create a new document. So for this video I will be using this custom size document which is 1000 by 1000 pixels, and I will be renaming my document to be circle letter logo. You're free to choose any size document as you like. As you can see, Adobe Illustrator provides a huge variety of preloaded size documents. Or in case if you want to use the same document size that I'm using, just write in 1000 by 1000 in the width and the height options and change your dimensions to pixels. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is that I'll be using this ellipse tool right here to make my first circle. So I do not require the stroke as of now, and I will be changing the color of this circle to light gray. I'll go ahead and make a small circle. In order to do that, I'll be clicking on Shift plus Alt and creating this small circle right here. So I'll be using the ellipse tool again, and I'll be creating a slightly bigger circle. So again, Shift plus Alt and create a bigger circle like that. So now I'll go ahead and type in any letter of your choice. Right, so I'll use this type tool right here, and let's type in the letter A. So you're free to type in any letter as you like. So I'll select this and I'll change the font size to 250, and I'll go ahead and also make this bold. No, actually I'll just go ahead and also make this 350. Yeah. So I'll get that over here. Right click on my letter and I'll choose this option which says create outlines. Once that's done, I'll just bring my letter on top of the bigger circle that we had just created like that. I'll select both these two objects. Come over here to this Pathfinder panel which is right behind the layers panel, and here in the shape modes, I'll be using the second shape mode which says minus front, and like that. Okay, so once that's done, we can just go ahead and get this circle right in front of the smaller circle. I'll select the smaller circle and I'll go ahead and also resize this a little bit more bigger so that it covers the entire letter. Click on Shift plus Alt to resize this like that. Wait, it's not coming out to be right exactly. Yeah. Okay, so I'll change this circle's color for now. So since it's light gray, I'll go ahead and make it purple like that. Okay. Once that's done, I'll select the bigger circle and I'll change the color of this circle as well. I'll be adding a gradient. So I'll select this, and as you can see that by default the gradient is white to black. So I'll be choosing this radial gradient and I'll change the black color to a darker shade of gray. It looks much better. And here in this white one, I'll choose to a lighter shade of gray, and done. Since we've added our gradient, now what I'm going to do is that I'll zoom in and I'll be adding some small changes to this. I'll be adding some kind of 3D effect on the letter that we just wrote. Right, so I'll be using the pen tool again, and this time the fill is also going to be something very similar to the letter's color, which I'll choose pink so that you can see it. You can add any type of outline as you like. so that it creates a much better outlook, or probably like something like this. I'll just add another one right here so that it looks better, it looks more artistic, like that. There you go. And I'll just resize this again. I'll select all of them and make this even more bigger so that it fits proportionally to the document we just created, like that. And there you go. We've made a circle letter logo. So now we can just go ahead and also save our document. Oops. Okay. So to do that, we'll be going to File and clicking on Save As. So by default, my file name is going to be the same as my document name, which was circle letter logo. And my save as type is going to be an Adobe Illustrator file. Yeah. So I highly recommend that we save our file in this format, which is an AI file, so that in case if I want to make any further changes, I can easily access my AI file. And we click on Save. And OK. So there you go. Our circle letter logo has now been created. So you can actually use the same effect to try out with different letters. You can try out with different words. You can add and play around with the color schemes as well. So that's about it. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.